For this exercise, we'll be adding another stage to the pipeline that we've been working on in the previous exercises. On the Pipeline tab of the aggregation editor, ensure that the Stage 2 row is selected. Click the small down arrow to the right of the Add button and click Add New Stage after selected stage. New stages use the Match stage by default. In this stage, we want to specify which fields to include in our pipeline. We'll do this with the Project operator, which you should select from the Filter drop-down list. Once selected, the aggregation editor will automatically have the curly braces and a placeholder comment. Delete the placeholder and type the following expression. This expression has 3 arguments, separated by commas. The first argument specifies that the _ID field should be suppressed, as indicated by the 0 value. The second argument adds a new column named City and sets its value to the value of _ID field for each record. Essentially, you're changing the name of the _ID field to City. The third argument specifies that the total column should be included in the pipeline, as indicated by the value of 1. In the Stage Output pane in the bottom section, click the Execute button to execute the pipeline up to and including this stage. In Table View, you might notice that the _ID field is still included in the view. However, if you switch to JSON View, you can see that the results include only the total and city fields. Let's check in the Query Code tab to verify that the code includes the Project operator and its expression. We should also confirm that the Pipeline tab includes the Stage 3 row with the Project operator and its expression. We'll be using the aggregation editor again, so leave it open with the pipeline as it is for the next exercise.